YouTube, this is your girl Just Naturally Tiff, and in this video I'm going to show you how I install my units and also how I style them. So if you would like to see that, stay tuned. Section out the front of your hair as leave out. This is my Got2b glued, which I use to install the wig. Spread a thin even layer just in front of the wig cap. Once you've done this, we're going to wait about 3 to 5 minutes for the glue to get tacky. Now we're going to secure our wig. Press the lace of the wig right into the glue. Once you're comfortable with how the wig is placed, we're going to tie the unit down for about 30 minutes so the glue can dry completely. I'm going to clip my hair up to keep it out of the way. Once you've waited 30 minutes, the glue should be dry and it should not lift in the front. Next, we're going to establish our part in our wig and our leave out. I'm going to use Pro Style gel to slick my edges down. You can use whatever gel you like. Brush your leave out to blend with your unit. We're going to tie this down again and wait about 15 minutes for the gel to dry. Alright, once the gel is dry, we're going to take the scarf off and begin styling. I'm going to section my hair in medium-sized sections. Altogether, I think I did 5 sections. I'm going to clip the rest of the hair up so that it doesn't get in the way. We're going to take our section of hair and brush it out with a paddle brush. Alright, for this next part you might want to get a towel so that you don't get all wet. I'm going to take a spray bottle filled with water and detangler or leave-in conditioner if you'd like, and spray the hair all over. Make sure that the hair is wet but not just soaking wet or saturated. And then we're going to comb through the hair again and apply oil. Use as little or as much as you'd like. We're going to comb through the hair again with our paddle brush, and that's it. And we're going to move on to the next sections, and I sped this part up for you guys. We're going to repeat exactly what we did on that first section to the rest of the sections all over our head. Make sure you get your leave out too so that it blends. I put the hair in my mouth to keep it away from the section that I already did. Alright you guys, and here are the results. This is when it has dried a little bit and you can see the curl definition a little more. Alright you guys, it's been fun. Bye. Alright you guys, make sure you subscribe, follow me on Facebook and Instagram, and watch my previous videos now.
So I pray I understand again sometimes, and I love you strong.